Hi, this is a quick look at one of these bikes called a Wing Ebike, which I've just repaired, which was this little joint here where the pedal sensor goes on was not fitting properly and the brake was hubbing. But basically, from what I understand, these are a standard kit that the guy at Wing Ebikes sticks on a Carrera bike. So it's a standard Carrera bike, and he puts one of these kits on with the display here, and it has 5 different levels of assistance on it. And this particular one is a 1700 watts rear motor kit, which has got a lot of power. It's very fast, probably over 30 miles an hour. But one of the silly things which he didn't change before he sold the bike was obviously putting the rear kit on, he had to put a 7-speed Shimano freewheel on instead of the 9-speed one which came with the bike. And what's really bad is he put a 9-speed shifter on, so I had to replace it with the Shimano 7-speed one so that the gears actually change properly. But yeah, so I wouldn't really recommend the quality of the building of these Wing e-bikes. To then sell a bike for quite a high price and not even bother to change the shifter is quite poor, but they are fast, let me tell you that. Faster than my 1000-watt one. So yeah, that's just a quick look what it is, and it's fitted with the standard control box in here with all the wiring, one of these standard Chinese kits, and the proper down tube battery. But yeah, that's what one of these Wing e-bikes looks like. Definitely fast, but not the best conversion. Probably better off buying the bits yourself and putting it on, because at least then you know it's done better. But yeah, worth a go if you want one of these fast e-bikes. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.